The 7 elements of art are line, shape, color, texture, space, form, and value. They're the tools you use to create art. Ready to blast off into the wild, creative universe of art? Today, we're diving into one of the coolest elements of art, space. Buckle up because this is going to be an exciting ride. Space is like the playground of your artwork. It's all about how you use the area in and around your shapes, lines, and colors. Think of it as the breathing room in your art. There's positive space, the stuff you draw, like a tree or a face, and negative space, the empty areas around it that make your art pop. Both are super powerful and can totally change how your artwork feels. Space is like the secret sauce of art. It can make your work feel calm and open, or intense and jam-packed. Check out how this artist used the swirling skirt to create movement, or how modern designers use empty space to grab your attention. It's like magic. Space controls the vibe of your art and guides the viewer's eyes exactly where you want them. You get to be the boss of space. Cram a ton of shapes into your artwork for a chaotic, energetic feel, or leave big, open areas for a chill, peaceful vibe. Try overlapping objects to create depth, or use negative space to make a hidden shape, like a heart or star. Experimenting with space is like directing a movie. You decide what the viewer notices first. Ready to have some fun? Grab your paper and draw something simple, like a single object. Now, play with the space around it. Add a busy background, then try an empty one. Notice how it changes the mood. Or create a design where the negative space forms a secret shape. You're not just drawing, you're sculpting space like a pro.